guys, welcome back to my vlog for today. So welcome to my channel guys, Rosa's Vlog 823. So today guys, magpunta kami ng anak ko sa Costco kasi naubusan kami ng bigas. So sasamahan nyo kami guys. Let's go. Antay ko lang yung kasama ko. Inaantay ko lang guys yung anak ko. Taga, sabi niya ready na daw siya. Tapos ngayon hindi pa lumalabas. Walang yun itong kasama ko talaga. Sabi niya ready na daw siya. So kasi medyo mura doon ng konti yung bigas. Yun nga lang, may membership. Hindi ko alam kung bakit may kailangan pa ng membership doon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Di ba dapat wala ng membership kasi gagastusan ka naman. Wala namang ano. Wala ka rin namang incentive sa membership. Okay sana kung nag-ano sila ng membership pero mayroong rewards na matatanggap like discounts or something. Kaso wala guys. So magbabayad ka lang ng ano tapos gagastusan ka pa. O diba? Ang galing. Andito na yung anak ko. Andito na yung kasama ko. So ayaw niya mag-drive kasi wala siyang tulog. Open na. It's open. It's open. Ayaw niya mag-drive kasi wala siyang tulog. Diba? Walang tulog. Ayaw niya mag-drive. Okay, you put the map. Put the...
Oh, sure.
Nothing to...
Oh my god, look at the clouds.
Ayan guys, we're driving up to Sydney.
Oh my god, I'm in Costco.
So, mga 1 hour something drive. How many hours?
1 hour, 4 minutes.
1 hour and 4 minutes. Ang layo ng speed kami. Ang layo ng kursirihan na.
The clouds look so fake.
Ha?
The clouds look fake.
Looks fake.
Yeah.
How is that looks fake?
I don't know, it just does.
It's clouds, bro.
God.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Sunny day. Ganda sana ng araw guys, kaso malamig yung hangin. Papunta na kaming Quintas. Ayan guys, dito na kami guys. Dito na kami sa Costco. Ayan, maganda, ayan. Maganda yung araw lang. Sorry. You wanna get the trolley or you gonna get inside? I take this one. Dito na kami sa Costco. I think this one's too big. Do they have the same size, everything? Are all trolley the same size? So I don't like this one. A minute. You get this one, Trish.
Huh?
The one doesn't have the handle.
Why? Why'd you just leave it right?
You get the one that's easy to push. Some trolleys hard to push. It's not easy to push. Ayan guys. Yung mga trolley ng guys. Oh. Mga trolley ng Costco. Huge. Huge yung mga trolley nila guys. In my thing. Ha? Yes, in my bag. In my bag. Ayan ko sa ano ko. Diba? Ito tayo dito sa motor. May kalapati. Hello. Kalapati. Guys, register. Magano muna kami. Renew muna kami ng registration. Ayan, membership. Renew ng membership ang mga people. Renew muna kami ng membership dito kasi na-expired. Bagay lang naman dito pag ano. Biyara lang kami dito nagpupunta guys. Ayun kanilang membership. First ko membership. Hindi ba? Ano dito? Yan, sa mamaya na guys. Dito kami sa meet area. Yung meet area dito. Dito kami sa meet area guys. Which one good? Is Scotch Spirits or this one? This one is more. I think this one is more milk. Put this one up. This one is better. This one is beta, line chops. No, let's put it back. This one is better. Ayan guys. So galing na kami doon. Yan sa fresh food. What's in there? So ngayon dito kami sa meat area. Yan si Manoy o. Madami ng ano. Masarap kay ano bang? Masarap yung preto lang. Ito lang siya ng ano. Ayan yung mga guys ko na masyado. Really do something like it. Okay, let's go. Barbecue chicken. Ayan. Guys, ito ng mga barbecue chicken. Chicken nuggets. Dito naman guys, mga salad. Ayan, mga ready ano. Mga ready pack na mga salad. May seafood. Prawns. Wanna get some prawns? It's for...
This one's 31.
It's 32 bro. It's all 32.
Oh, fuck. Oh, what is it 31? Oh, man.
Oh my gosh. Really expensive. Prawn cocktail. Why? Because it's spin.
They're pretty big, too. I think so. I can live without it. I don't know.
Look at the sandwich. Look at this. Look at their party bread rolls. Look at their party bread rolls. All sandwiches. Ayan, different sandwiches. Mga Pinoy yung mga nandyan. Ayan, crispy salada, sauce, sushi, signature chilled pork knuckles. Ha? Enchiladas. So pork crackers. Well, enchilada.
Enchiladas. The quesadillas.
What is this? Prawn tempura pack.
What do you reckon? Quesadillas?
Ano ka dinas?
Yeah, I've had these before. They're pretty decent.
Up to you. Just put it in the sandwich press.
Yeah.
You know, the workers is they're open. There are kilos. Okay. Let's go with the cheese area. Now we go this way first. We get some eggs. Ito guys, yung mga pizza, ready-made pizza, mga cheese, ano, ayan. Cheese. Guys, mango chutney, mga ready-made meals. Ayan guys. Ayan, so nakabili na kami ng ayan ang tagatulak ng trolley. Dito kami sa mga drinks at saka ano. Traffic. Traffic dito guys. Traffic, what's in there? Cleaning stuff, we don't need that. We don't need any cleaning stuff. Oh, that's how much for that thing? We don't need that either. We needed the cleaning stuff. And here, what's in here? We don't need any animal stuff. Yeah, why we're here? Come on. Binta, I just for sig. It's expensive. My gosh, $50. Oh, mamahal dito guys, kailangan dito guys, bulky ang ano. Bulky ang kailangan mong bilhin. Bulky na kailangan. That is like Coke Zero. Pepsi Max. Oh, look at the Bundabergs. 14. Sometimes on special. There's nothing. Also nothing that side. No, there's nothing here. I think it's in there. It's on there. On the other side. Ah, yung ano, yung mozzarella and the hot dogs, guys. Ito yung kanilang mga frozen stuff. Garlic. Yan, guys, yung mga ano, mga frozen. They're trash mix. The mix one, ano? No Pepsi. 30 pieces for 25, for 26. So that's cheaper. What's in here, bro? Prawn cigar. No prawn cigar. Siopaw. Did we try the siopaw before? Ito guys, mga frozen ano nila oh. Ayan, mga frozen meal. Pork and kimchi dumplings. Mga frozen meal. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it, bro. $36, $35 pag nag-special sa ano. Still $35 here for 36 cans. Sometimes a special in Puso Warwash for $22.
36.
Yeah.
It's good and then really sweet.
Ito kayo may mga drink tasting. Ayan. tasting. Tapos dito, just go to first. On the other frozen ring. Tapos dito guys, may food tasting. Ayan. Ayan.
So I bought this
Tasting.
Ayan. 50 minutes in the oven.
So may food tasting din doon. So ito na yung maganda dito. Pag nagpunta ka dito sa Costco, maraming maraming free taste Dito naman tayo sa another area ng frozen meal. Maraming free taste dito guys. Sa pero minsan pag nagpunta kami dito ng nagpunta kami ng weekend, wala masyado. So ngayon marami silang mga free marami silang mga free taste. Swedish balls. What's the Swedish balls? I'm looking for the what is that mozzarella thing it's oil longganisa. Di ka tosino to. Is the longganisa nice? Yeah, di ka tosino as well. Honey pork ribs. So we're gonna get tosino o longganisa? I think the longganisa before is not.
Question, mother.
Try to get the tocino, ha? Can you hold this for me?
Oh my god, hey guys. There's tocino and there's longanisa.
Tocino o? I haven't tried the tocino yet.
Oh, it both looks so yummy.
Tocino.
$22 for pizza pockets. That's kind of crazy.
Longganisa. Ano sa longganisa? Oh shit.
Oh my gosh. $20.
Okay.
Honey pork ribs.
Okay, that's enough. The longganisa.
You just left the box drop like that? Okay, that's none of my business.
Ayan guys, ikot-ikot, ikot-ikot. Hello, may chips. Cheeseburgers. Dogwood dogs. Here's the mozzarella sticks. Oh my gosh, it's
Chili caramel cheese. That does not sound good.
cherry caramel. Yeah, that's the flavor.
Chili caramel. That does not sound
Oh my gosh, the mozzarella sticks is 21 now.
good. 20.
It's 22 now. What the heck? Nice to know. Huh? How many kilos this one?
1.2.
How much in do we get it?
Up to you.
Do we get it?
Up to you. How do you feel about it?
Huh?
Up to you.
Hey, come on. Where it is? Huh? Yeah. $11.50. Oh my gosh, the big ones. We're gonna put them. We should have to get the rice. So we're gonna put the rice. Oh, we can just move them in there later on. Huh? Huh? Oh, we can just move. Put on top or something. Bumili ako dito ng malaking iced tea na powder. Wala naman, hindi naman nagamit, nasayang lang. Yung bili ka lang yung nasayang lang yung Proactive, 1 kilo ng Proactive. Pinang nice. Just look at this.
For a dog.
No? How is that for a dog? No, it's for babies. How is that for a dog? Look. And this one just the thing. How much are they? This one so. But that one is good because it's got the thing. How much? How much are they? Huh?
Which one?
I know it's 20 here. I think it's the one here. Infant 40, the one. Yeah, $20. It's gonna be cute for Kailani. Huh? But she's 9 months. Kailani is only. I will get the purple one. Six months. No, we need 9 months onwards. Cute. How many months is this? 3 months. 6 months. We need 9 months. 3 months. So I saw this one. We need 9 months for. I hear 9 months. Nine months. How old is Kalani?
8 months.
8 months. That's 9 months. It's alright.
Yeah. Should fit in it.
Okay, come on. Cute.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe Saraya wants one too. I think just for babies, isn't it? Yeah, doesn't have one for Saraya. Or maybe this one, size 3. Three-piece please pajama. So it's very cheap. Is Saraya size 3, size 5? So Mickey Mouse is Stitch. The Stitch is cute. Does she like Mickey Mouse?
I would be hotter if she isn't now.
Mickey Mouse pajama. It's going to winter soon. Yeah. Oh, Stitch. I like Stitch. Oh, this one size 5. This size 5, size 6. This she carries size 5. Size 6. Five. No, size 6. Wow, we really need to go to sleep, bro. We really need to go to sleep. No. 18 months. I think size 5 would fit her. I wonder what size she is. Small, isn't it? The baby stuff is $20. What about your church? Dito guys, may mga clothing area din, di ba? Mga pang winter, ayan o, men's, Mix. May mga pang winter, may pang ano. Ano yung baby stuff nila? Oh, let's go to the ano. Wala naman na din eh. Mga pang winter, may mga ano. Halo-halo. Diba, andito lahat guys. Yan yung mga pang winter. Pants. Oh, it's here rugs. We'll see. We'll have a look here. Normally they get rugs here. So they get rugs here. Usually. We'll have a look. Curtains. How much are curtains? 35. This is nice. This is really set in your room. Look at the pillow, Trish. Look at that pillow. That pillow. But brown color. I don't like brown. Tapos dito naman guys, mga ano, o, diba? Mga linen naman dito. Mga linen. O, dito naman guys, sa mga sabon. Shampoo. Ayan. Shampoo, lotions. Ang sari mura yung shampoo na yan. Herbal. White strawberry shampoo. Dito naman mga body wash. Lotion. Body wash. Ayan, body wash. Moisturizing wash. Dove. Nagatulak ko ng trolley. Inaantok. Ayan guys, so, walang tulog. Inaantok. Inaantok yan. Inaantok yan guys. Alcohol na doon. No more. That's it. Soon banda is alcohol. Alcohol na doon banda guys. Damn people. Yung linya doon guys. Ang haba. Ang haba ng linya. Ang haba ng linya guys. Doon tayong gabayad. Ang haba ng linya. This way? This way. Grabe yung linya doon guys. Skinny dipped. Peanut pretzels. Ayun, maybe they got the what's in here? Ito naman guys, mga snacks. Chocolates. Iba't ibang klase ng ano. Iba't ibang klase ng chocolates. Ayan o. Iba't ibang klase ng chocolates naman din eh. KitKat 68.99. Ito, mahal din ah. Mahal din dito. Mahal lang dito. Punta ka lang sa ano. Here it says pistachio squares. Wow. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung pistachio squares nila. 27 bucks. Ito gusto ko ito noon. Ang sarap nito. Squid ano. Sarap nito. I like this one. Ang sarap niyan. Squid tea. Beef jerky. Ito yung beef jerky. Masarap sana. Kaya lang ang tigas. Masyadong chewy. Bulgogi. Masyadong siyang chewy. Masarap sana. Kaya lang masyadong chewy ang ating ngipin. Nababasag. Jalapeno beef jerky. Masarap sana itong beef jerky. Masyadong matigas. Oh, air-dried steak. Air-dried steak sabi. Ano kaya lasa? Ano kaya lasa ng air-dried steak? Iba yung mga halaman nila. Oh guys, mga halaman. Kasi magma-Mother's Day. Oh, $50. Dito yung kanila mga bulaklak. Mga bulaklak. Ito halaman ata ito eh. Ang ganda ng bulaklak guys. Oh. Ano ka ba? Tanim ka ba? Oh. Ay halaman. Magkano kaya? Ang ganda. Dark pink. Magkano? Ayun, $30. Ayun siya. Ayun yung price. $30. Diba, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak guys. Oh. Diba? Meron pa doon. Ang ganda. Yun yung kasama ko. Pinagbibili. Kisses. Okay, let's go. Race. Pistachios. Magkano yung pistachios nila? Magkano yung pistachios? What is the price? How much the pistachios? $30. Magbayad na tayo. Saan tayo magbabayad? Dino. Where is the line? We buy pizza. The whole pizza on the way home, oh?
Whole pizza. From here.
Yeah. Okay. Tapos na kami. Order muna kami ng... Ayan. Ito na yung mga pinamili namin, guys. Order muna kami ng ano. Ayan, order muna kami ng pizza para ano na yung pauwi. Ayun, guys, oh. Order ng pagkain. Ayun na sit sa mo.
We'll have to wait here for the pizza.
Okay. Ayan, antay mo na siya dyan. Punta akong ano. Punta mo na akong pag... Ayan guys, tapos na kami dito sa Costco. So ngayon guys, pauwi na ang mga people. Ginabi na kami guys. Ginabi na kami. Ang oras na din eh. Oops. Inaman.
No.
Okay.
Okay, show the middle.
Late night shopping, so they're closed 8:30. So people still coming in. People still coming in.
Look at the sunset. So pretty.
Ayan, tapos na kami guys. Pauwi na ang mga people. Ang problema kung hindi traffic pauwi kasi ano na. Sa bagay, hindi naman school, hindi naman work hours na tapos. What is it?
Where's that comment?
Too many birds on the thing. Ang daming ibon dito.
Nature, bro.
Ang daming ibon dito guys. Ayan, pauwi na ang mga people. Was it hot?
Oh, there's more shops here. I thought they were factories.
Things. Turn right, turn left.
Left or right? Yeah, I feel like that, yeah.
Right.
Look at the sky, so pretty.
That's why I like when it's talking. Because
I have it on, I don't know why it's not.
on the roundabout, take the third exit.
So I don't think Waze does that. That's just Apple Maps. Whatever it's called.
Maybe we just need to put the voice. Office works.
The bus is on.
Office works bro. 20. Masyadong mainit. Sorry bro. And then right on the traffic light, isn't it? Campbelltown. Take a
I think you
pulse.
stay in that lane, right?
Huh?
I think you stay in that lane because you need to take the turn off.
Oh.
I think it might be both lanes, I don't know. We'll find out.
Na 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 na. Pauwi na ang mga people. Ay, at least we got the rice. Ano, the rice is still the same price. It didn't go up.
The membership was always 65. I can't remember.
No, 60 before. Because with Auntie Rosie. When Auntie Rosie signed up before I was with them. When Uncle Ray still around. It was 60 but now 65. What the heck? $5 more. And then you don't get any rewards? Any member rewards or something? Like, why it has to be member for? Why you have to be a member? When you just have to shop.
I don't get what the businesses one's for. You probably got more stuff.
Hmm?
The business one.
No, seriously, because Auntie Roses used to be a business member. Premium member. She doesn't get anything.